You might hear some cars going back and forth, but yeah. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Sorry if you hear my dogs. It was raining. I was at work, and it was raining. It was probably like 12 o'clock. And I'm like, it was like pouring. Like, it was like it looked like it was raining so hard. Like the droplets would probably hurt you. Like if you're outside, like it was it was so bad. And then it stopped. And now it's raining again. It's like 5, 6 o'clock. Just turned 6, but yeah. It's been a very rainy day today. Hopefully tomorrow's better. But sometimes I like, the cold, rainy days. How you guys doing? Let me know how you guys been in the comments if you guys actually watch. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know if you want less talking in the videos, or if you want more talking. If you want soft spoken or whispering. Because I don't know if you guys can really hear me when I'm whispering. So sometimes I'm trying to whisper louder. I don't know. But yeah. I don't know how you guys are doing. There's a spider outside my window. He just ripped off of a leaf. That's kind of cool. So let me know what you want to see. Someone asked for light triggers, and the very next day I made a light trigger video, and I got no views, so I don't know if the person that asked me to make a light trigger video saw it. Hopefully they did, because they asked. I don't know. Inside your car. It was gifted to me, and I never took it out of the plastic. This is actually my second attempt at this video. I tried it 5 minutes ago, but and I actually tried opening it in the video, and I'm like, I just look so stupid. I'm just gonna redo it. But I guess. to see like a whole fabric scratching video. If you can hear my dogs, I'm sorry. I don't know what the heck that was, but like sometimes like I just like random visuals. Like just random visuals that don't even make sense. That really calms my vibes. Like it really gets me. I really love visual ASMR, but I feel like I'm the worst at it. I suck at it. I'm the worst at visual ASMR, but it's one of my favorites. But it's gotta be like visual ASMR with talking and with everything else, like what I do. If you're located, my gosh, if you're in New Jersey and you know a good tattoo removal place, let me know. Let me know, because I hate these things that are on my hand. I got them so long ago when I was, well, this was middle school, bro, and bro, don't even get me started, bro. I got myself started, but I hate it, bro. I got it in middle school, and I graduated 3 years ago from high school, so yeah. If you know a good place, let me know. For cheap, I need a cheap place. I think that's gonna do it. That's gonna do it for today. My hands are hurting. So yeah, if you watch my videos, I would appreciate if you commented. Just comment something. Because people watch my videos, I see the views, but like, it's like no one's watching fully. I could have 10,000 views. I don't care about how many views I get. It's like if I have 10,000 views, right, but only one person watches it fully through, then I only care about that one view. You know what I mean? Like some of my videos have like 200 views. It's like 200 people aren't watching my video through, so I don't care about that. Like, I want people to like watch the videos full. I don't know. I'm not forcing anybody to watch my videos, but like, it'd be cool if people actually liked my content, I guess. I mean, people do, I guess, because I have like 43 subscribers, I think, and I love that so much. That, like, I'm so appreciative for that. That is so epic. I never thought I would get that. And I have a good amount of commenters. I have like some people that I see here and there. I'm like, that's so cool that they're subscribed to me and they watch my videos and they comment. So that's pretty cool. But it's like, I want my own little community. I feel like that'd be so sick. You know what I mean? Like, I don't care how many people I get views, as long, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to sound shallow, but it's like, if I get 5 views and all those 5 people watch it through, like, that is so sick. That's all I need. Like, I don't need a lot of views, as long as the people that are actually viewing it, watching it, not just like skipping. Because I feel like most of the time it's like they accidentally clicked on the video and they're just exiting out, you know what I mean? Or I'm not good enough. But I am so thankful for the amount of subscribers I have. That is so sick. I'm so supportive, or I'm so grateful, and like seriously grateful for the people that do comment, the people that do watch it full, the people that are in my comments saying like, good job, like I actually like this actually is so relaxing, or stuff of like that type of vibe. Like I appreciate that so much, so thank you guys so much. Alright, hope you guys have a good night, a good day, and a good evening. Bye bye.